Happy Friday, everyone. We're going to do, there's only a few more cards left in this box from Alena. I have 4 cards left from box number 2. So I am going to pick that one. And we're going to do Tree Dance. So it looks like we do a little lollipop, and then on the edge of that lollipop we do another lollipop, and then so forth and so on. And then once we've got that branch the size we want it, we do smaller ones in between. We can make it whatever shape we want. I think I am going to make a kind of a shape on my paper. Let's do this paper. It's rectangle. Why not? It's a bit like the same color as the last one I did, though. Okay, I don't want to have them the same color. Let's do another rectangle. Hey, let me grab one. Come on, come out of the box. Oh, for goodness sakes. So, how are you? Since apparently I can't get to my paper. Okay, is that 1 or 2? That's 2. I don't know why they're all stuck together. There we go. We're going to go with green, apparently. Let's draw with a color that's not black, then. But I am going to kind of give myself a border area, and let's do like that. So I'm giving myself sort of a, you can even see it. I can barely see it. A swirly pattern like that to do our things on. Let's use a yellow gel pen. Why not? So we're going to go start in the middle, and we're going to come lollipop. And then go here. something like this. Okay, and then I think it needs some kind of else. Like that, with maybe some leaves. I'm just kind of filling in at this point with whatever feels right. Does anything else look like it needs filling in? That looks pretty darn good. I think I'm going to add some of these need an extra bit. Just to make them a little fuller. Ah! Don't stick your hand in it, Dawn. Just random spots. Look like they need to be filled. Ah, she's so cute. That was quick and easy. I really like that. I have a border that I can see that I don't really need. too sure why I made one. Although I do know, because I don't like to draw right up to the edge, and so if I have myself a little pencil mark, I know that I'm not getting next to the edge, but this one really didn't need that. Okay, this one's called Tree Dance. And it was quick and easy. That was a super simple pattern. I like it. I like how it turned out. I'm not doing anything else to it, I don't think. I'm going to leave it just like that. All right, you guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And I will see you later. Bye-bye.